Ladies and gentlemen, we have very special award, and we have a very special contribution to the Indian industry. And I'm talking about one person who had a very humble beginning, very young, talented, and very cool person who actually built step by step and truly built a company which is multinational in animation, gaming, visual effects area all over the world. And this is a company which actually started from India and became a multinational. Normally we see people coming into India. This is the first company which actually built in multiple countries. And to give this award, I would like to first call Rajiv to read the citation. And as he reads the citation, I would like to call Mr. Namit Malhotra to please come on the dais for the Special Contribution Award for the Animation, Gaming, Visual Effects, and the Comics sector. Standing ovation, guys. This is a very big award. I would like all of you to have a standing ovation for a fantastic company and a story that is built in the last 16, 17 years in multiple nations, and the first Indian multinational, a true multinational from India in this sector.
Thank you. Mr. Namit Malhotra, Founder, Executive Chairman, Global Chief Executive Officer, Prime Focus Limited. As the founder of Prime Focus, Namit has been responsible for the strategy, growth, and success of Prime Focus from its modest beginnings in Mumbai in 1997 to its current position as the world's largest independent and integrated media services powerhouse. His perpetual optimism and entrepreneurial spirit is written throughout the Prime Focus identity, actively seeking out projects that will expand the strengths of the company and challenge its team to push themselves to the next level. He is devoted to nurturing talent and ambition and to delivering his clients world-class creative and technical services and intelligent financial solutions. Mr. Namit is the poster boy of Indian entrepreneurship in Hollywood. Huge round of applause for Namit and a few words from you.
Thank you all. Thanks Ashish, Rajiv, and the jury at FICCI. I think I already feel like I'm being given the Lifetime Achievement Award. So it's making me feel really old. It's obviously been a fantastic journey, and I have tremendous pride and gratitude to our Indian industry and all of you artists and entrepreneurs who've constantly helped drive the story of India, that, we can do it. And, as they just said that, we did start with very modest beginnings, and we continue to believe that, sky is the limit. We're just starting our journey to the next phase. But it's extremely heartening to be here amongst all of you. It's a great feeling that, sitting there and, seeing some of you guys getting awarded a few years ago. I was like one of you, hoping I'd get one of these, and to be standing here and getting this most unexpected level of respect is a truly humbling moment for me. I can only say that while I'm tremendously proud of Prime Focus and the team at Prime Focus, I stand internationally and stand tall, supporting the cause of our Indian industry and pushing forth that if any country in the world can do it as good as anybody else, it is India, and it is all of us. Keep believing in yourself, as I believe in the power of what we can all achieve, and let's keep scaling new heights and raising the game as our job and our industry always expects us to. Thank you, everyone.